Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install SQLite. SQLite is a open source embedded database. Embedded here means is it does not require any server to communicate with the database. You can directly create a database in this software and you can directly communicate with it. You don't need any separate server or separate database, and it's very easy to transfer this database from one computer to another computer using pen drive or any other device, and it's usually used in Android applications because it is very easy to use. Now let us start. First search here SQLite and click enter, and you can see here SQLite homepage and website name is sqlite.org. Click here. Now you can see here the latest release is 3.39.2. We can click here download. Now you can scroll down. Now you can see here pre-compiled binaries for Windows. Here you can see the last one, SQLite tools win32 in .zip file. This is bundled with command line tools for managing SQLite database files, including command line shell program and the SQL diff.exe program and SQLite 3 analyzer.exe. Click here to download. Here you can see it will download this zip file. Now we can open this folder. Here you can see in this folder there are 3 executable files. We can first rename this folder, name it SQLite 3, and cut this folder here and paste it in C partition and double click here, and now it's in C partition. Click the location of this folder, click Ctrl C, and now you can search here. Now you can search here environment variable. Now click here environment system variable. Here you can see the environment variable. Click here path and edit, and click here new and copy and paste this path here and click OK, OK and OK. Now we have to go to the command prompt, write here cmd, enter. Now we can enter here SQL command, SQLite 3 and enter. Now you can see here it shows us the SQLite version 3.39.2 and we are connected to the transit in memory database. And if you want to exit from this, you can write down the dot and quit and enter. Now to create a database we need a directory or a folder. We can make a folder in C partition. Here you can right click and create new and folder. Suppose I will name it database. I will name it SQLite 3 database. Click enter and open it, and now click the path of this folder, click copy, and now go to the command prompt and we have to enter in this folder in command prompt. So we have to write here cd and we can paste it here and click enter. Now we are in the SQLite 3 database directory. Now to create a database we have to write the command SQLite 3 and use and name the database. For example, SQLite 3 database.db and click enter. Now it have created the database. You cannot see this database directly, and if you want to view this database which you have created right now, you can enter 2 commands here. First one is dot databases and enter. Now it's showing the path of the database here, SQLite3.db. It's now in our directory that which we have recently created in C partition. We can now create a table here in this database so that we can view this database. So write down here command create table, and then you can name the table name. For example, my table is the table name, and then you can enter the columns here. For example, name column, that is varchar, and bracket close, and enter here semicolon and enter. This have created the table with a table name my table, and it's having name column which is a varchar. Now we can view this table by using this command dot tables and enter. You can see here it displays my table name which I have created right now. Now if you want to see the structure of the table, you can use the dot schema and write down the table name, that's my table, and enter. Here you can see it shows the structure, that is name. We have only used the name column here. This is how you can download and install SQLite 3, and I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.